Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. It is an arithmetic operation which contains the basic operation plus division, multiplication, and also we have the power in our expression. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. We have here four answers: 36, 0, and 16. So we will see which answer is correct after solving it. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS method. Understand like what is the PAMDAS and BODMAS method. Basically, BODMAS and PAMDAS method are the rules which are used to solve any arithmetic operation which contains the basic operation. So now, as you can see on the screen, like B is the bracket in the BODMAS and P is the parenthesis is the PAMDAS. So it means that if your expression contains any bracket, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see like exponent or power in any number. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out the division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if the multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication part first. So they have the similar precedence. Either you are using BODMAS or PAMDAS, so both have the similar meaning. So similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So we can solve addition and subtraction. If you go left to right and see addition is coming, so you have to solve the addition first. And if subtraction sign is coming in your expression, so you have to solve subtraction first. Now, move forward to given expression. So as you can see on the screen, we have 30 plus bracket 36 divided by 6 minus 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 minus 16. So, and for BODMAS and PAMDAS, we have to solve first the bracket. So, in our expression, we have a bracket which is 36 divided by 6. So, we will solve this part first. So, we will write 30 plus by 6 is 6. And after that, we will write other part as and here we will give the reference 36 divided by 6. Now we have in our expression we do not have any bracket. So now we will see the exponent or you can. So here we have exponent term like which is raised to power. We will solve this part now. So we will write like this way. 30. We will write this part as it is. And 2 raised to power 2 is equals to minus 16. And here we will write reference power equals to 4. We will move forward and now we will go left to right. So here we will go left to right. And how we do not have any power or bracket. So now we will see the multiplication and division. So if you go left to right, so you can see like there is a multiplication which is coming in our expression. So we will write this one. So we will write as it is this part. And 5 for the 20 minus 16. And here we will give the reference. Again, now we will go left to right. And see, like now we do not have any multiplication and division on our expression. So we will solve this addition part, which is equals to 36 plus, 30 plus 36 is equals to 33. And we will write other term as it. Now we will give the reference here equals to 36. Now we will move forward left to right again and see 36 minus 20, which is equals to 16 minus 16. So here we have only multiplication and addition. So we will subtract these two terms, which is equals to 16. Again, we have two terms which are subtracting each other, and 16 minus 16 is equals to 0. The answer of this expression is 0. So I hope you understand how we can solve this expression in PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct answer. So in our answer list, we have this answer C, which is equal to 0. So this is the correct answer of this expression. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.